మారిషస్ సుప్రీంకోర్టు భవనం ప్రారంభోత్సవంలో ప్రధాని మోదీ పాల్గొన్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Of an emergency and trauma hospital, and we were similarly privileged to support Sri Lanka's efforts to establish emergency ambulance services in all 9 provinces. We are glad that the oil pipeline project we are doing with Nepal will help ensure availability of petroleum products. And similarly, we are delighted to contribute towards ensuring availability of drinking water and sanitation in 34 islands of the Maldives. We have tried to make cricket popular in countries as diverse as Afghanistan and Guyana by helping build stadiums and other facilities. We are excited to see the young Afghan cricket team trained in India emerge as a force to reckon with. We are now providing similar support to develop the talent of the Maldives cricket players. We consider it a matter of immense pride that India is at the forefront of a major housing project in Sri Lanka. Our development partnership reflects the development priorities of our partner nations. Friends, India is not only proud to be helping your present, we consider it our privilege to help you create a better future for your youth, for your next generation. That is why training and skilling is such an important part of our development cooperation. They will make youngsters in our partner nations self-reliant and more confident to guide the future of newer heights. Friends, the future is about sustainable development. Human needs and aspirations cannot be in conflict with our natural surroundings. That is why we believe in both human empowerment and care for the environment. Based on this philosophy, India has made efforts to nurture new institutions like the International Solar Alliance, ISA. Let the rays of the sun brighten the journey of human progress. We are also working on a strong coalition for disaster resilient infrastructure. Both initiatives are of special relevance to island countries. The manner in which the global community has supported these efforts is heartening. Friends, all these values I spoke about come together in our special partnership with Mauritius. With Mauritius, we share not only the waters of the Indian Ocean, but also a common heritage of kinship culture and language. Our friendship draws strength from the past and also looks toward the future. India takes pride in the achievements of the people of Mauritius. From the narrow steps of sacred Apravasi Ghat of this modern building, Mauritius has built its success through hard work and innovation. The spirit of Mauritius is inspiring. Our partnership is destined to soar in higher in the coming years. Viva l'amite entre l'Inde Maurice. भारत और मॉरिशस मैत्री अमर रहे. लॉन्ग लिव इंडिया मॉरिशस फ्रेंडशिप. थैंक यू वेरी मच.